Hello, welcome to my channel Beautiful Yarn. You will be watching me unboxing this Ice Yarns package in this video. I actually did the unboxing on 1st June. I am only able to upload this video today because I have been very busy working on these yarns, which I am going to show to you. This package was shipped out on Friday 29th May and arrived at my door on Monday the 1st of June. The shipment was so fast that it was unbelievable. It reached me in Malaysia from Turkey within 2 working days. It was shipped using UPS Express. Now that is really something to look forward to when you buy ice yarns using express shipping. So let's unwrap the package. Woohoo! And let me get them out. So here we are. One. Oh God. The package is, as you can see, is open. The plastic is open. Then we have this. And also have this. Here I have another, and there you go, one here. Alright, so no worries, I'll go through each yarn. First we have Rockabilly. It is made of 67% tencel and 33% polyamide. All right, and this yarn is suitable for hook size 4 to 5 millimeter, and here it's mentioned that it is of size 4. Right, and so far I really like the feeling of it. It is very soft. Yeah, it's very soft. So I'm going to make something out of this with the other yarns. So I have 2 packs of this Rockabilly in ecru color. So if you want to see the color code of it, let me show to you on my phone. Right, so okay, so for ecru color you can see the color code FNT266188. Right, and from the website of Ice Yarn you can see other color options. All right, and they are really pretty. I think if I want to buy another Rockabilly color, I would try the dark blue. Looks kind of nice. So there you go. Yep, the color is really nice. Okay, so this is for Rockabilly in ecru color. Okay, next I've received this package, but unfortunately the plastic is already torn apart. And let me show to you one example of the yarn. Oh, it feels just like Rockabilly, exactly the same. Alright, so let's see the details of this yarn. Okay, so this is called Rock and Roll, and it is made of 15% wool, 35% acrylic, and 50% modal. right? And this is of size 4 yarn, so basically it's for crochet hook size of size 5 mm, right? So I'm going to combine these to make something, right? It's really nice, and you can see, let me put it this way, right? And you can see on the website, okay, so you have all the details there, and this is the color code FNT265852. all right, so it is of the color lilac shades and burgundy shades, right? So for other color options, okay, you can see a lot of the color options. So I have another 2 packages, each of different colorways. So I'm going to show it to you after this. All right, so this is the second color that I have of the same yarn, which is rock and roll. So let me open it. Oh yeah, it really feels very soft, very nice to the touch of the skin. Yeah, very nice. So again, this is rock and roll, and yep, the same content, wool, acrylic, and model, right? Same size 4. All right, it's really nice, and I love the color. So if you look up on the Ice Yarn web, you can find that this color is of cream shades and turquoise shades, right? And the color code is FNT265854, right? Okay, let me show to you the third colorway that I have of rock and roll. Okay, so this is the third color that I have. How do I open this? Right. That, as I've said, it is definitely very soft. Okay. For this third color, if you look up on the web page, okay, you can see that it has exactly the same look. So you don't have to worry whether the color will not be the same as shown on the screen as when you see it in real view, because as you can see here on my old Samsung phone, they have the exact same look, same color. All right, so for this color, okay, let me make it a bit bigger. So it's FNT265853. Okay, so that's the color code for it. Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine the 3 colors of rock and roll, okay, with the Rockabilly in ecru. All right, so I'm going to make a shawl out of these 4 colors, and I will show to you next. Well, maybe soon. Right, so for now, that's the unboxing. Well, excuse me, it's actually the unplastic packaging. Alright, and that's for this 4 packages that I have. Well, actually, I have 5 packages because I have 2 packages of egg crew, Rockabilly egg crew, and I have each of these 3 colors. Alright, they are certainly very nice and soft, and I can't hardly wait to turn them into a shawl and see how the color change will affect the shawl. It's going to look nice, isn't it? There you go. There you go. Alright, so this is me admiring my parcel and feeling really excited having been able to unbox. Even though this is a small parcel, I am still excited and I am still feeling very happy for having these goodies. Alright, so till I see you next, and I will show to you what I'm going to do with these yarns. Here's the wrap that I have made using yarns in this video. I will release the tutorial video for the shawl soon, along with written instructions on Ice Yarn's website. Thank you for watching.